guys, it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV. Today, you join me in the back of the van, but we are going to have a little look at these are some custom cab mats, all specially GDUBTV branded up from custom Vee Dubs. Let's check them out. Guys, I don't know about you, but in front of my T6, I have not got any cab mats, and that's a really frustrating thing, because as you can see, my floor is absolutely filthy, and no matter what I do, we've just had Storm Cara and Storm Dennis, and like, this is filthy. I'm gonna have to clean this up, but as soon as I get in here with wet feet, it's gonna get dirty again. And so I've ordered a set of custom cab mats from some guys called Custom Vee Dubs. I found them on one of the Facebook forums. If you search for VWT5 T6 forum on Facebook, there's loads of different groups, and there's a company called Custom Vee Dubs. They've got their own website, link will be in the description. I've paid for my cab mats, I'm not on any commission, we're just going to check them out. So I got in touch with the guys at Custom Vee Dubs and said, look, I really want some cab mats. There's a really good quality. I'd heard a lot of really good reviews on the Facebook forum, people saying that the pile was really good, that they were a bit anti-slip. So one of the problems when you get cab mats, I'd had a cheap pair in the T5 project, and the backing didn't have any rubber or anything on it, and they just slipped all over the shop. I'd also seen that these guys have been doing different like branded ones for different companies like Transport HQ and others, where you can have your logo on there. So I've got these guys to do one with the GDUBTV logo on there, black carpet with white stitching. I've got my box knife for opening it up. I'll try very carefully not to damage them. We'll just have a quick look, talk about them, and then I'll put them in place. Quick, simple, easy video. Let's do it. Look at that, black with white stitching. I've got my knife. Check that bad boy out. So look at this, guys. Lovely GDUBTV logo on there. This material on the back is slightly rubberized, which is great, so it should be anti-slip. You can see these are completely tailored to the shape of the van floor. These will obviously all flat out as I put them down, but look at that, really good quality. Like, this is I don't know if it comes through on the, but look at that. That is a really nice deep pile. It feels really good, really luxurious. It doesn't feel all stiff and hard. It feels really nice and plush, actually, quite deep. It's a bit springy. This rubberized coating on the back is anti-slip. It's obviously got the GDUBTV logo on both sides, which is great. They can do that extra cost. Again, if you go on their website, this sort of thing you're into, check them out. It looks good quality. Obviously the jury will be out, give it a few months, and we'll see how it's starting to wear, particularly on this heel pad area on the driver's side, and that tends to wear quite quickly on a lot of carpets. So again, can't tell that from the beginning, but we'll have a little look at that maybe kind of in the summer and just see how that's wearing. But these are lovely, and so I'm going to put them in the front. So we're going to just slide these in here. It should be very straightforward. This isn't exactly a technical how-to. Slide these mats in. I can already feel that rubber gripping, which is great. Beautiful. GDUBTV, they're in place. They look absolutely beautiful. That rubber backing, you can see as I try and move it, it's not really shifting. These look great. Look, they're really well tailored around the edge. The stitching is really good. It's a lovely fit. It literally fits down the side of the seats perfectly around the handbrake. So that's really good. And then you can just see there around the door seats. I'll go around the other side. There we go. So GDUBTV, obviously I'm going to give all this a clean up. It looks grim at the moment, but that's the whole reason why you want some mats, so you don't trash your floor. But these are really good quality. They look absolutely lovely. You can see the quality of that material. I'm hoping that comes through on the video. Like, this pile is really nice. There we go. This will flatten out these little ridges where it's been delivered. Look at that. They are good quality mats, and again, you know, these aren't going to shift really easily. They're not going to slide around loads because of this rubber backing. So that's great. Again, I'll take these out and clean that floor. So there we go, guys. If you're in the market for a set of cab mats, check out Custom Vee Dubs. I'm really pleased with these. I think they cost me something like 75, 80 quid. Can't remember, but link in the description. You can check them out on their website. We've just gone past 9,000 subscribers, so just want to say a massive thank you for joining me along on the journey. Obviously the T5 project all done and dusted. Now this T6 project, I'm really hoping we can hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this project. That would be so exciting. Over the next couple of weeks, the videos might come a little bit quicker. I've got some time off work to try and get ahead on the van. Got a lot of stuff in the back of the van I need to sort out, like the insulation, getting the rear seats fitted from captain seats, lots of other bits besides as well, the units from Northern Rose camper van conversions. I've got some speakers to fit from Skipton Car Audio. I've got some electrical bits and pieces from Simply Split Charger. I've got so much stuff. I've got four solar panels to fit on the roof, about 400 watts of solar from Lenson Solar. So there's loads of videos to come. So please do stay tuned in. Don't forget to like if you've enjoyed this video, if it's been helpful in any way. And please do carry on keeping an eye out on the channel, because we'll be back with you soon. Cheers, guys. Bye.